Hello, Ms. Aine. Thank you so much
Hello,
for
Mr.
your
Sullivan.
time. We had a long discussions. Maybe for the benefit of students, we can summarize our discussions on our management programs and especially focus on masters. We are talking about supply chain procurement. Then we are talking about IBM, GBM, and OTU.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Sully. So we had a great conversation about our recently revalidation programs, our Masters in Procurement and Supply Chain Management, our Masters in International Business and Law, and our Masters in Global Brand Management. We're delighted to have these revalidated for the next 5 years with an overview of what industry needs, having consulted with local companies here in Ireland and internationally across Europe. We are delighted to say that all our programs have been revalidated for the next 5 years, with the key skills and competency needed for employment here in Ireland and across the world. The Masters in Procurement and Supply Chain is an exciting programme in the fact that it is now incorporating our CSRD and the EU directive. There are a number of modules, including the circular economy, the fostering sustainable practices, the business negotiations, and obviously our sustainability is built into the sustainability procurement and the supply chain management programme. Within this particular programme, there's going to be huge employment, definitely here in Ireland and across Europe. The fact that the CSRD is a mandatory legal obligation by all companies here between 26 and 25, they will have to report on all movement of all supply chains within products being produced here in Ireland and across Europe.
We appreciate your efforts on modifying this to match the demand of the country.
Yes, exactly.
This change is going to give them big support on their placement.
Yeah, more than definitely. With the dissertation by practice as well, there's a great opportunity for students. This is a new part of all our master's programme. The dissertation by practice is an elective that students can choose, where they can work with companies here in Ireland or in their home countries in order to gain experience with companies at the final stages of the Masters. And again, in the procurement and supply chain, the fact that it is mandatory for companies to do this over the next couple of years, we do expect employment to increase in this particular programme and this particular area.
Okay. And a lot of students are asking the difference between our global brand management and international business management.
Yes,
both are very good. And
they're excellent programs. They are both excellent programs. They are very different in their own right. Going forward, both programs have been redesigned again with industry demands. The international business is a fantastic program for students who are, I suppose, still looking to figure out what area they're looking to really excel in career-wise. It offers opportunities across all paths, whether it's international business, whether it's strategy, accounting and finance. There's a managerial finance program module there. There's digital transformation. There's the corporate governance. And again, a very popular module is always the entrepreneurial innovation, where students get to experience a Tata system called TopSim, where they get to live virtually in a world where they have to run a particular company throughout the semester in semester 2 of their program. The global branding is very different in the fact that it only shares 15 credits now with the international business. There's 45 credits specifically designed for the global branding. The modules included would be brand analytics, the digital modules, the understanding local and global. It's for the type of learner who really has kind of made that decision already that branding or marketing is their love and their passion, and they're very happy to kind of, I suppose, move away from the financial operations, HR type roles that are more available in the international business. So for the wider option, the international business is a very safe bet as such, and the global branding is for those students who have pretty much made up their mind that this is their skill set that they want to make as their career path going forward.
And a big specialization on creativity and branding.
Yeah, the creativity, the students who do the global branding, I would say, are very open to creativity, projects, working on projects as a group. You can't be a student on this program without being a team person. You have to work on projects. Where the international business is a little bit more diverse, it allows students to excel on an individual basis through a blend of assessments and examinations. So again, I'd advise any student who's trying to decide whether it's international business, global branding, to look at the modules. The website has been updated at the moment with the new programs, but the global branding is a very specific program that students have to be open to teamwork, project work, and presentation skills. Yeah. Students have to be well able to stand up and present in front of companies and be confident in doing so. And if not confident, we show them how to do it.
Okay, and I'm sure this time we'll be speaking very less on finance because there are seats are full.
Well, we have enough accountants. I know the accounting and finance is obviously being Griffith College. We have a fantastic name internationally for the accounting and finance. That is full at the moment, but that's not to say that obviously students aren't welcome to apply for February and September 25. The business and law is one particular program I'd like to highlight as well. The international business and law is one program that we spoke about today for students who have possibly completed an undergrad in business and have enjoyed that type of legal module or governance type module within their undergraduate program. So for a student who does not want to go down a legal route but would like to live within an international business environment, the international business and law is a great opportunity for students to blend an international business and a legal environment type masters. Students that do this program would be doing modules like international commercial arbitration, international tax law, international property law, governance, and it is an exciting program where definitely students excel in some of the multinational companies here in Ireland.
Okay, so with all this belief, I'm sending my son, Shane Sony.
Yes, I believe so. Well, I'll look after him well, don't worry.
For the international business management, that's my conviction on the program and the knowledge.
Yes, we had a great conversation whether global branding or international business would suit him. And I think having spoken to Shane and having spoken to yourself, I think choosing a program that you're going to enjoy is very important, but also ensuring that the student has wisely looked at all options.
Yeah.
And I think digging down deep into what your skill set is. Are you an individualist or are you that type of team working person? Working that out, I think definitely international business is probably the best option for Shane. And I think the global branding is still a great option, but I think going forward, what he has enjoyed at undergraduate level, pinpointing that international business, I believe, will be a great and fantastic option for Shane.
Thank you so much for your time.
No problem. Thanks, Mr. Sony.
Yeah.